How to sort by newest on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can sort by newest on Facebook Marketplace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Facebook account, just like I have done here. And once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen, you will see a menu displaying your name, friends, and then Marketplace. Ensure you click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to your marketplace, of course, that is your Facebook marketplace. And once you're on this marketplace, by the left side of the screen, you see the search box. Go ahead and search for what you want to get. For example, clothes. Alright. Once you click on it, below the notify me, create a new listing, and filters, you'll see sort by. Alright. Same on the left side of the screen. Just click on the drop down menu. And then once you click on it, the menu displayed, you see different ways whereby you can sort for things um on marketplace, and you can sort by distance, nearest first, lowest first, highest first, etc. In this tutorial, our focus is on newest first. Alright, so just go ahead and click on it this way. Once you click on it, all of your search would be sought for based on newest. So this is how you can sort by newest on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.